Hello, I'm Dr. Castillo. I'm the Medical Director for Central California TMS. Welcome. I will give you a brief tour. This is the waiting area for our TMS patients. They come in and then ring the bell, and then somebody comes to meet them here and we'll take them to the TMS treatment room. Please follow me. This is our TMS treatment room. This is where we have the TMS device, Venture X100, and we provide TMS treatment here. Here we also have another waiting area when they are waiting with their families to be interviewed by myself. And let me show you my office. This is my office where I do the interviews for medication management or for TMS treatment or for any other psychiatric consultation that they are requesting from me. So thank you very much for visiting our center. And if you need more information, you can contact us at 559-433-1TMS. That number is 559-433-1867. Thank you.